How to recover deleted drafts on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. Now let's go ahead and open up TikTok.
It says there.
Then let's navigate to our profile page right here. And what you need to do here is, as you might know, there's no way for you to actually get back the deleted draft using this draft section on TikTok or something like that. Essentially, what we need to do is we need to click on the three lines at the top right corner, then click on settings and privacy. And here we need to scroll all the way down till you find the section that says support and about, then click on report a problem. And essentially what we will be trying to do is we will use a feature, an option, which we will find here in this help and support section, that allows us to contact the TikTok support team about the deleted and missing drafts. So let's go ahead and see how that will look like. Once this page has been loaded, you need to scroll down to this section that says topics. And from there, click on videos and sound. And here, let me just close this drop down menu. From these topics, you will see there's a drop down that says drafts, so click on it. And here, click on missing drafts. Now, as you can see, this page right here, TikTok tries to tell you like what can happen to drafts. Sometimes they might be deleted or gone or something like that. So what you need to do here, it asks you, is your problem resolved? Click on no and click on the need more help option that just appeared at the bottom, so we can proceed to contact and ask the TikTok support team in this page right here. As you can see, you need to ask them for example, write them something that says, I mistakenly deleted important drafts or something like that. Whatever your reason, to each person his own reason. Important drafts, help me get them back. And you can here have two options, either to include screenshot or a video. So once you have gone through these steps, what you need to do is to click on submit at the bottom, and that way your feedback will be submitted to the TikTok support team, and after a while, maybe short period or a few business days, they should get back to you and resolve your problem. And unfortunately, this is the only way to do so right now. Like, there's no other option or feature that can help you get back your deleted drafts except this one. So yeah, you might just as well try it. So that was it for this video. That's how you can get back the missing or deleted drafts on TikTok and recover them. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that, see you in the next video.